In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Trello board public. If you've been using Trello to organize your projects or collaborate with your team, you might find that at some point you want to share your board with a wider audience. Making your Trello board public can be a great way to do that, allowing anyone with the link to view your content without needing to have a Trello account. Whether you're using Trello for a public event, organizing a community project, or simply want to share your insights with the world, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, let's get started by heading over to Trello. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the board section. This is typically found at the top of your Trello homepage. This is the hub where all of your Trello boards are stored. If you're not already familiar, a board in Trello is like a digital canvas where you can organize lists and cards representing your tasks, ideas, or any information you want to keep track of. Once you've accessed your boards, the next step is to click on the workspace that contains the board you'd like to make public. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're selecting the correct one. Workspaces in Trello are collections of boards grouped for a specific team or purpose, so it's helpful to be organized at this level too. After selecting the right workspace, go ahead and click on the specific board you're interested in. At this stage, you'll see your familiar board view with lists and cards in view. Now, to change the visibility settings, locate and click on the button that currently says Private. This button is usually found near the top of the board, close to the board's title. Clicking on Private will bring up a menu with a few visibility options. Here, you'll want to select Public. It's important to understand that by making your board public, anyone on the internet who has the link will be able to view it. They won't be able to edit or comment unless they have editing permissions, but privacy is a consideration you should take into account. Finally, once you've selected the public option, Trello will ask for confirmation. You'll see a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to make your board public. If you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click on Yes, Make Board Public. And that's it, your Trello board is now accessible to anyone with the link. Remember to only share the link with those you intend to have access. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.